Well, guys, not much to update you on the shop. As you can see, it's snowing again. My poor shop. So there she is, just hanging out. We did have some nice weather last week, about 4 good days. So the only thing I was able to do is kind of rough in the plumbing. So I got a trench dug, and then got in the 2-inch PVC, so that is ready. But that's all I've been able to do, because after the 4 nice days of weather we had, and then of course it rained a little bit. Yesterday was real nice, dried up a little bit, and then this crazy weather, it snowed on us. So don't have any progress to report besides that. Until we get really 2 weeks of solid dry weather, we'll need about a week for it to really dry out good, and then we can bring the Bobcat in and start forming the inside, because we can't do it when it's muddy or soggy in there. Don't want to pour concrete on top of mud. And until we get that, which means probably what, I don't know, springtime. It is February 20th as I'm filming this, so yeah, springtime is right around the corner. I think the only people that are enjoying the weather are these 4-legged friends of ours. There's Sasha over there, our latest addition. She's enjoying the snow. This is like the first time she's seen it, so pretty cool. But anyways, guys, a little disappointing, but that's all I got for you. So just hang in there with me.